Yoga for 55 plus. Yoga is a holistic practice that offers numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits, making it an excellent choice for individuals aged 55 and older. As the body ages, maintaining flexibility, strength, balance, and mental clarity becomes increasingly important. Yoga can help address these needs through gentle movements, breathwork, and mindfulness practices. This video drills into the benefits of yoga for older adults, provides safety tips, and outlines a yoga routine specifically designed for individuals aged 55 and older. Improved flexibility and mobility. Yoga helps maintain and improve flexibility, which can decrease with age. Enhanced flexibility reduces the risk of injuries and improves the ability to perform daily activities. Increased strength. Yoga poses that involve weight-bearing and resistance can strengthen muscles and bones, which is crucial for preventing osteoporosis and maintaining overall strength. Better balance and coordination. Balance poses improve stability and coordination, reducing the risk of falls, which are a common concern for older adults. Enhanced respiratory health. Breath work, pranayama, in yoga improves lung capacity and respiratory function, which can be beneficial for overall vitality and managing conditions like COPD. Deep breathing exercises, such as diaphragmatic breathing, enhance oxygen exchange and promote relaxation. Stress reduction and mental clarity. Yoga's emphasis on mindfulness and relaxation techniques helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, while promoting mental clarity and emotional well-being. Mindfulness meditation and poses like child's pose, balasana, promote relaxation and mental calmness. Cardiovascular health. Yoga can improve cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, enhancing circulation, and reducing stress levels. Gentle flow sequences, like cat-cow pose, Marjarasana Bidalasana, promote circulation and heart health. Safety tips for practicing yoga. Consult with a healthcare provider. Before starting any new exercise regimen, including yoga, consult with your healthcare provider to ensure it's safe based on your individual health conditions and fitness level. Start slow and gentle. Begin with gentle yoga classes or poses designed for beginners to avoid overexertion and reduce the risk of injury. Use yoga props such as blocks, straps, and chairs to modify poses and provide support. Props help make yoga more accessible and comfortable. Listen to your body. Modify or skip poses that feel too challenging. Warm up and cool down. Always start with a gentle warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints for practice and finish with a cool down to relax and stretch your body. Yoga routine for older adults. This routine includes gentle poses that focus on flexibility, strength, balance, and relaxation. Each pose should be held for 5 to 10 breaths, and the entire sequence can be repeated 2 to 3 times. Seated mountain pose, Tadasana. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor and your hands resting on your thighs. Sit up tall, lengthening your spine and rolling your shoulders back and down. Take deep breaths, feeling grounded and centered. Improves posture and breathing. Cat-cow pose, Marjarasana Bidalasana. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Inhale, arch your back, and lift your tailbone and head, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, and tuck your chin and pelvis, cat pose. Repeat for several breaths. Enhances spinal flexibility and warms up the back. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, hinge at your hips and reach towards your feet, keeping your back straight. Use a strap around your feet if needed. Stretches the hamstrings and lower back. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Stand with your feet wide apart. Turn your right foot out and bend your right knee, keeping your left leg straight. Extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Look over your forward hand. Hold and then switch sides. Strengthens the legs and improves balance. Tree pose, Vrksasana. Stand with your feet together. Shift your weight onto your left foot. Place your right foot on your left inner thigh or calf. Avoid the knee. Bring your hands to your heart or extend them overhead. Hold and then switch sides. Improves balance and strengthens the lower body. Bridge pose. Setu Bandhasana. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Place your arms by your sides. Press into your feet and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Hold and then slowly lower down. Strengthens the back and glutes, opens the chest. Child's pose, Balasana. Kneel on the floor, sitting back on your heels. Extend your arms forward and lower your torso between your thighs. Rest your forehead on the floor or a block. Provides gentle stretch for the back and hips, promotes relaxation. Legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani. Lie back and extend your legs up the wall. Rest your arms by your sides or on your abdomen. Relax and breathe deeply. Improves circulation, reduces swelling in the legs, promotes relaxation. Yoga is a versatile and effective practice for individuals aged 55 and older, offering numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits. By incorporating gentle poses, breath work, and mindfulness into your routine, you can enhance flexibility, strength, balance, and overall well-being. Always listen to your body, use props for support, and consult with a healthcare provider before starting a new exercise regimen. With regular practice, yoga can help you maintain a healthy, active, and fulfilling lifestyle as you age. If you received value from this video, please like, subscribe and comment.